Good morning. It's Monday. So I'm starting the day with this breakfast sausage or hot dog for us Filipinos. But actually this menu was taught by a friend of mine from Timor, Alin Feto Bachita. Hello. I'm doing this. So this is the first time that I'm going to cook those hot dogs with tomatoes. So I hope I'm gonna make it right. Hopefully. Okay, let's check. So I already had fried the sausages or the sausage, or we call it hot dogs. And then I need to saute tomatoes. She said I have to put tomatoes and what are there. So that's it. We're gonna put tomatoes, and then I'm gonna add in the sausages there. And then she said that's it. I just have to put soy sauce and some seasoning and onions after. So this is an East Timorese type of cooking. I mean menu, whatever, but I hope my kids are gonna like it. Thank you, Alin Feto Bachita. Thank you. So there, I already add in the sausages, and I added a little of soy sauce and some seasoning. So I don't know how it's gonna look like, or how it's gonna taste like, but let's see. Okay, see you later, guys. I'm gonna add in onions later. Okay, bye. Okay, let's see. Yes, that's the end product of that. Okay, I don't know. Let's see if how are my kids are gonna taste it.
Rate it.
Okay, good luck. This is from an timorese menu. Okay, my friend Bachita, Alin Feto Bachita. Okay, good luck. So how does it taste?
Wait.
Okay, ready, and blow.
Okay, 3,
2, 1, and taste. Yummy? Antoinette, what? It tastes good?
200,000.
200,000 times nice? Okay, say thank you to Alin Feto.
Thank you.
Thank you for teaching us this menu. Thank you.